Did you know that something as small as a chia seed can change your life? It sounds unbelievable, but these tiny seeds pack a powerful punch. I'm talking about more energy, better focus, and just feeling good from the inside out. Imagine waking up every day feeling refreshed and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. For years, I struggled with feeling sluggish in the afternoon. It was like hitting a wall, and no matter what I did, I couldn't seem to get past it. I tried everything. More coffee, sugary snacks, you name it, nothing worked. The temporary boosts were always followed by an even bigger crash. Then, I discovered the power of chia seeds. These little wonders are packed with nutrients that can make a real difference. These tiny seeds, often sprinkled on salads or blended into smoothies, were about to become my secret weapon. They are so versatile and easy to incorporate into any meal. I was skeptical at first, but the more I learned about their nutritional power, the more intrigued I became. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Could this be the answer I had been searching for? I decided to give it a try, and the results were nothing short of amazing. I started adding a tablespoon of chia seeds to my morning smoothie. It seemed like a small change, but I was curious to see if it would make any difference in my daily routine. At first, I didn't notice much of a difference. My mornings were the same, and I felt just as I always did. But then, something amazing happened. Gradually, I began to feel a shift in my energy levels. I found myself breezing through my morning meetings, my mind sharp and focused. Tasks that used to feel overwhelming were now manageable. The usual afternoon slump? Gone. I was alert and productive even during the hours when I used to feel the most drained. I had more energy than I knew what to do with. My workouts became more intense, and I even found myself dancing around the house. What was this magic? It had to be the chia seeds. These tiny seeds were transforming my days. I began to research their benefits, and I was blown away by what I discovered. The more I learned, the more amazed I became. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which are crucial for maintaining energy and overall health. All essential for sustained energy throughout the day. Adding chia seeds to my smoothie was a game changer, and I couldn't be happier with the results. The more I learned about chia seeds, the more I realized I had stumbled upon something truly special. My experience wasn't a fluke. People all over the world were experiencing similar benefits from incorporating chia seeds into their diets. The secret? It's all about how you prepare them. Later in this essay, I'll share my special tip for maximizing the energy-boosting power of chia seeds. It's a game changer. But first, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried chia seeds? What were your experiences? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Section 4. My secret weapon, the chia seed soak. Are you ready for my secret weapon? It's something that can transform your meals and boost your nutrition effortlessly. It's simple, but it makes all the difference. Chia seeds are tiny, but they pack a powerful punch. Instead of just adding chia seeds directly to your food or drinks, try soaking them first. This small step can have a big impact. This creates a gel-like consistency that's easier to digest and allows your body to absorb all the amazing nutrients more effectively. It's like unlocking a treasure trove of health benefits. Simply combine 1/4 cup of chia seeds with 1 cup of water or your favorite milk. You can even experiment with different liquids for unique flavors. Stir well and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight. That's it. The waiting time allows the seeds to fully expand and form that perfect gel. You now have a nutrient-packed chia seed pudding that you can add to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or enjoy on its own. It's a versatile addition to your diet that can enhance both taste and nutrition. Section 5. Join me on this journey. Incorporating chia seeds into my diet has been a game changer for my energy levels. I feel more focused, alert, and energized throughout the day. And the best part? It's such a simple change to make. So I encourage you to give it a try. Start with a tablespoon a day and see how you feel. You might be surprised by the difference it makes. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. And who knows, maybe chia seeds will become your secret weapon for a more energized and vibrant life too.